Cat 374FL on a I-84 highway expansion project. All this all the way up to that tree line's got to go. So they got this. Got your bucket, side wear plating on the back. It's gonna go through hell because this is all rock. And as you can see, it's already all scratched up in here. Especially here, this is all gonna be fucked up by the time they're done. It's maybe been here a month. Your bucket teeth are huge. It's got a huge ass bucket. Auxiliary hydraulics. I don't think they have a hammer big enough for this yet. They have a hammer for the 349 FL. Undercarriage. Idler. Your cab's already all dirty. Got your controls. Travel. Boom. Your display screen. I can probably read the hour meter. Got your greasing points, your cylinders, side of the cab. There you go. 374 FL pin. Oh wait, no, I shouldn't show that. But your counterweight. Ignore the pin number. You're not supposed to know about that. The counterweight comes off. There's pins, and it'll drop as cylinders. And this is to show how to tie down the machine or pick up the machine. 2 swing motors, all your hoses down to the tracks, bolts for the house, it'll come off. Idler, top rollers. Someone needs to get a shovel. It'd take a couple minutes. Bottom rollers, guiding roller. Well, guiding shoe, so the track doesn't slip off to the side real bad. What's this? Ultra low sulfur. This has the plug-in system by Caterpillar. I just got covered in diesel fuel. The idea is that you clip a hose on and it'll fill up that tank. Smells nice. I-84 Constructors. I don't know, it's a company, I guess. Your lonely grease gun. You'll be here about 30 minutes just greasing one thing. Pump up the track would take all day. Sprocket. Underside all nice. Drive motors. Your hoses come out of there. Your big cylinder to drop the counterweight. Because the counterweight bolts in. Your big panels for the radiators, pads, steps, sprocket, emergency shut off, and then your power disconnects in there. Controls, can't see the hour meter from down here, but it's practically brand new. And that's about it. This machine will be here for probably projected project finish is 5 years from now, so we'll be here a while. Alright, have a good day.